Hi, join me. Let's solve this Harvard entrance examination question. It's actually trending. So let's see why this is trending. Welcome to my channel. Let's get straight to the point. Now we have x to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 3 is equal to 12. Let's transfer these constants to the other side of the equation. So if we do that, we have x to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 3 minus 12 is equal to 0. Now, permit me to rearrange this like this is a cubic equation, right? So a cubic polynomial. Now let us take this to where it's supposed to be. So we have minus x to the power of 3 plus x squared minus 12 is equal to 0. Now let's multiply through by minus 1 so that we remove this minus sign. Alright. Now we are going to have, if we do that, we have x to the power of 3 minus x squared plus 12 is equal to 0. Now we have a cube and we have a square. What number? Two numbers that when we add them together, one of them is a cube, the other one is a square of the same number, and that is 8 and 4, right? So we can write x to the power of 3 minus x squared plus 8 plus 4. Okay, since this is positive, let me not waste time putting the bracket because the positive will not affect the value of our 8 and 4. Now I chose 8 because 8 will give me 2 to the power of 3, just like x to the power of 3, and 4 will give me the same 2 to the power of 2, just like what we have here. You can see that, right? All right. So we can now write x to the power of 3 minus x squared plus 2 to the power of 3 plus 2 squared is equal to 0. Now let's bring them together. Cube and cube and square and square. Let's bring them together, okay? So we have x to the power of 3 plus 2 to the power of 3 minus x squared plus 2 squared is equal to 0. Now, when you have x to the power of 3 plus 2 to the power of 3, that is when you have a to the power of 3 plus b to the power of 3. This is equal to a plus b, all right, multiplied by a squared plus minus ab plus b squared, all right? So let's express the first one in this way. Now, if we do that, we have x plus 2 multiplied by x squared minus 2 multiplied by x plus 2 squared, all right? That is it for this. Then minus x squared plus 2 squared is equal to 0. All right. Now, this is what we have. We have x plus 2 multiplied by x squared minus 2x plus 4, then minus x squared plus 2 squared is equal to 0. Now I'm seeing something. We have x plus 2 here. Let me try to make this, all right, to look like this. Is it really possible? Yes, I think it is. So what we are going to do is, this is x plus 2 multiplied by x squared minus 2x plus 4 minus, if I should put this minus in brackets, then this becomes x squared minus 2 squared as well, right? Is equal to 0. Now, this is difference of two squares. Yes, when you have a squared minus b squared, this is equal to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So let's express this in that form. So that simply means that we can write x plus 2 bracket x squared minus 2x plus 4 minus, in bracket we have x minus 2 bracket x plus 2, right? This is what we have, is equal to 0. All right. Now, if this is the first time you are coming across this amazing channel, please hit the subscription button and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss our amazing videos, right? We upload videos at least every day, once a day. So tune in at your convenient time to watch new uploads. Please give us a thumbs up if you're actually enjoying this video. Thank you. Now, this is where we are. And when you look at this, you notice that we have x plus 2 here and x plus 2 here, right? So let's go ahead and solve. So let's factorize x plus 2 out. Now, when this is divided by this, we have x squared minus 2x plus 4, all right? Minus this minus sign. When this is divided by this will remain x minus 2 is equal to 0. So we have x plus 2 into, so we have x squared minus 2x plus 4, minus times x will give us minus x, and minus times minus 2 will give us plus 2 is equal to 0. So we have x plus 2 into x squared minus 2x minus x will give us minus 3x, and 4 plus 2 will give us plus 6 is equal to 0. Now at this point we have two brackets and they are equal to 0. The product is equal to 0. So what are we going to do? It simply means that this is either equal to 0 or this is equal to 0, right? So we can write that x plus 2 is equal to 0, or x squared minus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. So from here, we can see that x is equal to plus 2 will cross to become minus 2. So this is the first value of our x. Now here, we have x squared minus 3x plus 6. We can actually find this using the quadratic equation formula. Now this formula states that when you have x, you want to find the value of x. This is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac, everything divided by 2a. Now, what is our a, what is our b, and what is our c? Our a is equal to the coefficient of x squared, which is 1. Our b is the coefficient of x, which is minus 3. And our c is our constant, which is 6. Now, let's substitute this into this equation, okay, or into this formula. We need to clean this. Let me start it on this place, okay. All right, so our a is 1, our b is minus 3, and our c is 6. So we can write that x is equal to minus 3, right, which is plus 3, then plus or minus square roots of b squared, that is minus 3 squared, which will give us 9, then minus 4ac, that is 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 6, which will give us 24, because 4 times 6 is 24, yes, divided by 2 multiplied by 1, since our a is 1, which is still 2. So x is equal to 3 plus or minus square root of 15, right? Sorry, minus 15 divided by 2. So we can see the second and the third value of our x is 3 plus or minus plus root minus 15 divided by 2, and the third value of x is equal to 3 minus square root of minus 15 divided by 2. Now these are the values of our x. Thank you so much for watching.